am Michael from Jamaica. Check it out, man. Today we start, as promised, with our new weekly series. Find 10 bagger and trade this with options. Hey, if you are interested in the topic, and want to know which company is our first 10 bagger, then stay tuned, man. After the risk disclaimer, it continues. Yeah, man. For our first potential 10 bagger, innovation is the key word. You see, the founders of today's company have not only turned an innovative idea into reality, but they also gave the starting signal for the development of a completely new branch of industry. It's about drone technology, or more precisely about drone technology for civil use. The development shows that the emerging drone technology for civilian use brings a variety of benefits to society, man. Hey, farmers use drones for biological pest control and those control plant growth. Firefighters use them to transport life-saving equipment and for mission planning. Construction companies inspect damage to buildings and use them as helpers for repair work. Hey, you see, drones transport time-saving, vital drugs, even blood preserves and organs, man. And drones help to fight poachers in Africa, as well as they delight us with beautiful landscape shots, like over here. This means that drones have long since become part of our lives and will be in many areas in the future. Ta-ta-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra. The name of our current potential 10-bagger star is Drone Delivery Canada, from here on referred to as DDC. As the name suggests, the company is from Canada and is based in Toronto. It is a young company that was founded in 2014. Above, you can see the stock exchanges where the shares are traded, with the corresponding abbreviations. The company's patented, fully integrated hardware-software platform is used as a managed service in a SaaS business model. Yes, man, DDC is fully commercialized, operational, and most importantly, revenue generating. With a robust sales funnel of global prospects. This is how DDC describes itself on the company's own website. This means that drone delivery offers not only the hardware in form of drones, but also a complete usage concept in the form of the SaaS business model. A software platform that can be easily integrated into the IT of any company or public authority. Check it out. Hey, DDC is the leader in the Canadian market, and the opportunities it offers that market are not even close to being developed. Possible applications for DDC in Canada include healthcare, remote communities, airports, island gas, mining, and courier logistics. By the way, courier logistics, it's only a few months ago, that the company signed that 10-year contract with Air Canada, the largest airline in Canada. Hey, Tony Di Bendito, DDC Chief Executive Officer, described the agreement as transformational for his company and said that it legitimizes the technology and its commercialization. Meanwhile, Air Canada Cargo stated that the drone technology provides cost-effective solutions to complex issues in cargo delivery. Practically a win-win situation for both. The contract with Air Canada includes the development and operation of 150,000 drone delivery routes. Even more interesting is the fact that Air Canada Cargo has agreed not to cooperate with the other providers of drone delivery services. So we have a pioneer, not to say the pioneer for civil drone delivery services, with an exclusive contract with the largest airline in Canada for the next 10 years. So all I can say is bingo! Yeah, man. Hey, as far as the whole market of Canada is concerned, DDC has just made the first steps from the start. Without exaggeration, one can say that drone delivery is marching swiftly in the right direction. Hey, to me, the potential of this company seems practically unlimited. Analyst of GMP Securities, Deepak Karsal, has a similar opinion. Hey, he rated the share as buy and issued a target price of 2.38 Canadian dollars on March 26, 2020. As a reminder, the share is currently trading between 0.7 and 0.74 Canadian dollars. By the way, the chart is from tradingview.com and I can warmly recommend it. And in connection with the future of drone delivery and the future stock price, here's a statement from Michael Zara, President and CEO of DDC. He said the following, and it's a natural progression to expand in a controlled means to international markets. We have active discussions underway in numerous international target markets, and the United States is an obvious choice. We are excited about the opportunities ahead of us in Canada and internationally, and have a strong funnel of interested prospects. So the future seems to be bedded on roses for drone delivery Canada. If you allow me this casual formulation, what exactly does this mean for you as a possible investor? And how does it look at the moment chart technically? For this purpose, we are looking directly at the US chart. Yeah, man. The chart is provided by Interactive Brokers. You will also find a link to interactivebrokers.com under the video. And no, it's not an affiliate link, man. I am really not convinced of the quality of the IBKR. Okay, but back to the chart. We are here in the weekly chart. By the way, all prices are in US dollars, and it is not to be overlooked that the DDC is in a downward trend since the start of the stock market in the mid-2018. After the last corrective upward movement, which began end of March and lasted until mid-June, the market is now in a chart technical nowhere. Two scenarios are possible, man. At 0.53, a support zone has formed, which is still holding for the moment. Should the market break through this zone, the next targets are at around 0.41, and the probability of a continuation of the downward trend would be given. Otherwise, if a bottom should form in the support area of 0.5300, a trend reversal is quite conceivable. Why? Firstly, the weekly chart shows an inverse shoulder head shoulder formation. This would be completed at 0.7360, and we also see a subordinate upward trend. We can now take a closer look at the upward trend in the daily chart. Here in the daily chart, the intact subordinated upward trend is even better to recognize. This subordinate trend becomes then over the price level of 0.7360. Also subordinate bullish. So we see that in all positive scenario, the key mark is 0.7360. Let us make a final conclusion. From a chart technical point of view, you can wait and see which direction the market will take. And if you have a short-term investment strategy, waiting is certainly the best way to go. But if you're willing to give the company a few years to grow, it doesn't matter whether you buy the shares for 0.5000 US dollars or for 0.7 US dollars. Drone Delivery Canada is still in its infancy, but the potential of this company is huge. DDC, as already mentioned, is marching innovatively and dynamically in the right direction. In Canada, drone delivery is the leader, and in the next 10 years, the company will be able to develop almost unchallenged. And these development opportunities in DDC's home country alone would justify a purchase at any current price. Furthermore, we'll see in the upcoming years to what extent DDC international expansion plans can be realized. Yeah, man, should drone delivery in actuality succeed in gaining an international foothold, which I believe it will, at least in the USA, then this small company from Toronto, Canada, might even become a 100-bagger. Finally, it should be noted that DDC is, of course, not tradable via options because the price level is still too low. Should this change in the future, we'll make a new video with the corresponding trading opportunities, man. If this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We are also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence.